So first step, have your meat ready. Some people, they might want to cut this in half. Okay, get your seasoning, whatever seasoning you want. I think I'm gonna use this one and also this one. So we use these together. Go fire up the grill. Alright, first step. Let's see here. Can you see me? Turn the gas on. Make sure the grill's clean. Scrub it again after it gets hot. You want to make sure your grill's hot before you put the meat in. Alright, once your grill is hot, scrape it one more time, especially this community grill. Having clean grill is going to give you nice grill marks. And I leave mine on high the whole time. We got thick meat, boys. So I thought this. Put the meat down. An angle. What's up, guys? Okay. Then I'll close that and I'll do this, probably do 2-minute timer, 2.5 minute. Then I'm going to take the meat and I'll turn it and I'll show you. Timer's up. Take your meat, however you want your angles. You want your lines, you want them at a 90 or 45. That's the direction you turn the meat to a fresh part of the grill. Also from the top to the bottom. Set that timer again. And then we're going to do the same thing to the other side of the meat on another part of the grill. Get this part clean in case I want to come back to this side. And if you didn't let your grill get exactly hot enough, you'll see that I got that problem where I only have grill marks going one direction. But it's okay, when I'm done with this side, I can get those grill marks back on there where I want them. It's not a big deal. 90 it, like that. Or you can go back to this side, since this side's flaring up a little from all the fat. Okay. see they came back. New part, 90 it. Shouldn't need it anymore, but it's the rules here to keep this grill clean. So clean the part that I'm done with there. Oh yeah, that came out perfect.